This might be the easiest turkey of all time. All right, so today we're gonna go ahead and smoke a turkey breast, but this is gonna be a bone-on turkey breast. So essentially it's had the thighs and wings removed. So it's just the turkey breast on the rib cage. So go inside and get that rubbed up and let this pit get heated up and ready to go. All right, guys, well, this thing's coming up to temp. Let me tell you how I rubbed up the turkey. First thing I did was took the skin off of it. You guys saw that in the video. And then I rubbed it with holy voodoo and then some cracked black pepper. Tried to use a pepper grinder, but it just wasn't coming out good enough. So I got some 16 mesh black pepper and I got it on there. Fairly decent. And of course, I gave you this little close-up look of it right now, and it looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and throw that in here as soon as it gets up to temp. We're going to smoke it at 275. We're going to smoke it over a post oak lump with chunks of apple and pecan mixed in the hopper. So should be good smoke. All right, I know you guys have been noticing the ChefsTemp products in the video so far, and I'm obviously using the S1 right here and then the Brizo fan. But you saw 2 probes in the turkey. Ordinarily I probably would have just used one, but I went ahead and I got the probes, so I went ahead and put one in each breast and just to monitor. And right now they're both reading the exact same thing. So, but I just put it in. It's starting to climb back up to temp now. I had the door open for way too long, so it's running right at 200 right now, but it'll be back up 275 in no time. So. But yeah, turkey's on, looking good. Those ProTemp 2 probes that are in it right now, they are super accurate, and they do a great job of penetrating the hull of this smoker here. They don't have any problem get their signal out. So great having wireless stuff. The only wire I got here is the wire that's on the Brizo fan right there, just for the power. Other than that, 100% wireless. Love it. Love this stuff. Just want to show this stuff in action here. I'm at the store at Lowe's, and see on the screen right here, this is what I've got on my app. I'm about 15-20 miles from home right now, so pretty cool to be able to run your pit from wherever you want. So you just saw that bird's looking pretty good. Hit it with some butter there just to keep the outside from drying up too much. But yeah, it's forming a nice little bark on the outside. It's firming up really well, and got really good color to it. right, guys, the turkey, spot on, man. It's awesome. Tender, juicy, very, very smoky. I do like the fact that I did it with the skin off. The smoke got to the meat a little bit more. Man, that had nice big tenderloins come out of the center of both of those breasts that, man, they look so good and were so juicy and man, delicious. I can't even tell you. I hope this helps you with your Thanksgiving meal. It's right around the corner here. It was very, very easy. It's only about a 3-hour smoke, maybe 4 at the most, but super simple, man. Anybody can do this, so give it a shot. Give me a like and subscribe down below if you want more content, and we'll see you next time.